Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to allow access to contacts and call history for your earbuds HUAWEI FreeBuds Pro 4. You have to start by open Settings and then go to the Bluetooth or connected devices. At the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. And then I have it at the middle, but you may have it at the bottom or at the beginning, it depends on Android phone. And also, this name depends on Android phone. So I have stock Android, and on my phone it calls allow access to contacts and call history. On your phone it may be call sharing or contact sharing or something with call or something with sharing. Now, to enable it, you need to tap on time and the slider near to it if the slider have empty background. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!